How to restore recently deleted Instagram posts and Reels. So for example here, I want to delete my Reels and my post. So what you want to do is go to these three lines here and go to your activity and tap on recently deleted. And you want to find at this left is your post and at this right is your Reels. And you just want to tap the Reels or the post you want to recover. Pick the post and tap these three dots here and select restore. And to restore, you want to confirm it's you. So you want to go next and type the code. It's the same thing if you want to recover your Reels. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.